Having trouble sharing files and folders between computers on a network or point-to-point connection? No worries, I've outlined the simplest steps to help you share files and folders in Windows 10 and 11 with ease. Just sit back, relax, and follow this step-by-step tutorial. Let's dive in. To network computers within a workgroup in Windows, they must share the same workgroup name and be connected to the same network. This setup allows for easy file sharing, printer access, and the use of other network resources. Steps to check if your computer is in a workgroup. 1. Open File Explorer. 2. Right-click on this PC and select Properties. 3. Click on Advanced System Settings, on the left side. 4. In the System Properties window, go to the Computer Name tab. 5. Click on the Change button. There, you'll be able to see or modify your computer's workgroup name. Ensure it matches the workgroup name of the other computers on the network for proper communication. Computers on the same network can communicate and share resources such as files, printers, and internet access. These computers are typically connected to the same router or switch and are identified by unique IP addresses on the local network. What is an IP address? An IP address, Internet Protocol Address, is a unique numerical label assigned to each device connected to a computer network that uses the Internet Protocol for communication. In a network consisting of Internet of Things, IoT, devices, computers, a switch, and a router, the router manages IP address allocation within the network. It assigns IP addresses to all connected devices, whether wired or wireless, from a predefined IP range. For example, 192.168.2.10 is a private IP address commonly used in local network. 192.168.2 portion represents the network address, while 10 is the host number assigned to a specific device within that network. It acts like a digital address, allowing devices to identify and communicate with each other over a network, similar to how a street address helps locate a home. IP addresses are essential for sending and receiving data, identifying devices on a network, and enabling resource sharing between devices, e.g. printers, files. Without IP addresses, devices would not be able to locate each other, making network communication and resource sharing impossible. The router gives out IP address to the switch. All connected computer to the switch automatically have an IP address in the network. A computer on a private network is connected to a local network that is not directly accessible from the public internet. This setup allows the computer to communicate with other devices on the same private network, while keeping its IP address hidden from external or public access. Key features of a private network: the device uses a private IP address, which is not routable on the public internet. These addresses are typically in the 10.0.0.0.8, 172.16.0.0/12, or 192.168.0.0/16 ranges. It can share resources such as files, printers, and internet access with other trusted devices on the same network. A router or firewall typically acts as a gateway between the private network and the public internet, providing an extra layer of security. Private networks are commonly used in homes, schools, and offices to create a safe and controlled environment for internal communication and resource sharing. Steps to change a network to private in Windows. 1. Go to Settings. 2. Click on Network and Internet. 3. Select your connection type, either Wi-Fi or Ethernet, depending on how your PC is connected. 4. Click on the name of the connected network. 5. Under Network Profile, choose Private. Note: setting a network to private allows your PC to be discoverable by other devices on the same network, making it easier to share files, printers, and other resources securely. How to enable advanced file sharing on a private network in Windows. To allow other computers on the same private network to access shared files and folders, you need to configure the following settings. Search box, type network. Click on the display network. Navigate to Network and Sharing Center and click on it. Click on Advanced Sharing Settings. 1. Enable Network Discovery. This allows your computer to see and be seen by other devices on the network. 2. Turn on file and printer sharing. This lets other devices access shared files, folders, and printers. 3. Adjust password-protected sharing, optional. You can choose whether users must enter a username and password to access your shared resources. How to enable SMB 1.0/CIFS file sharing support in Windows. 1. Open the Control Panel. 2. Click on Programs, then select Programs and Features. 3. On the left sidebar, click Turn Windows Features on or off. 4. In the list that appears, locate SMB 1.0/CIFS file sharing support. 5. Check the box next to it to enable the feature. 6. Click OK, then allow Windows to apply the changes. 7. Restart your computer to complete the process. Note: SMB 1.0 is an outdated protocol with known security risks. File and printer sharing through services. 1. Open services. 2. Locate and configure the following services. Function Discovery Provider Host. Function discovery resource publication. SSDP discovery. UPnP device host. Set the startup type to automatic. Click Apply, then OK. If the service is not running, click Start. 4. Close the Services window and restart your computer, if necessary. This will ensure that your PC can discover other devices on the network and share files/printers properly. How to name or rename a computer in Windows. To assign or change your computer's name, follow these steps. Open File Explorer by pressing Windows+E. Right-click on this PC and select Properties. In the System window, click on Rename this PC or Advanced System Settings, depending on your Windows version. Under the Computer Name tab, click Change. Enter your preferred computer name in the Computer Name field. Click OK, then Apply. Restart your computer for the changes to take effect. Please note that computers in a network does not share the same computer name, they must have a different computer name for easily identification. To share a file or folder on a network in Windows, follow these steps. Locate the file or folder you want to share. I hope you're finding this tutorial both helpful and easy to follow. If you're enjoying it, please don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and leave a comment below. Your support and feedback motivate me to keep creating more valuable tutorials like this. Thank you. Right-click it and select Give access to specific people. In the File Sharing window, choose the users you want to share with, example, specific user accounts or everyone. Set the permission level for everyone. Read allows users to view the file/folder. Read/write allows users to modify or delete the file/folder. Click Share, then Done. Please note that these steps must be performed on all computers you intend to use for sharing files and folders over the network. Please don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and leave a comment below. Your feedback motivates me to keep creating more valuable tutorials like this. Thank you.